This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Sonia Egnot. Gorgeous home located near YMCA and Dog Park. Community pool is 2 steps away. The downstairs floor plan was entirely redone to open up the living space and kitchen. The updated kitchen features granite countertops and solid white wood cabinets. The custom center island in the trendy color in navy. Farmhouse sink, bamboo flooring. Shiplap detail, all bathrooms upstairs and subway tile down. For more information, review the details below or contact Sonia Egnot at 757-422-2200.